guys, Eric here again. Be sure to subscribe for more videos and content just like this. In this quick video, we're going to show you how to create and link a telephone number to a button. And we're using Elementor. And so what we're going to do is, we've already created the button. I'm going to go ahead and click the edit here. And we want to edit right where it says link. And in that part, we can put TEL. Colon, and then you can put the number in there. So whatever the number may be, you're going to go ahead and you're going to update it. And now when you click on that there, it's going to call the number. And that's how you link a phone number to a button using Elementor. Hopefully that helps you guys out. See you real soon.